Hi guys, Tony here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my office. Now, I'm not at EICMA this year, unfortunately, but there has been a wealth of new bikes being announced today, which is the first day of the show. So I thought I'd maybe do some quick videos to pick through some of those that I've seen that are really grabbing my interest. And I thought I'd start with the new Honda CB1000 Hornet, which looks like it could be a bit of a cracker. 2023 saw the Hornet name come back into the Honda lineup with the CB750. It's a fantastic bike that offers nimble handling and a punchy motor that puts out 90 horsepower. It also launched at under £7,000 in the UK, although this has now risen to £7,299. For 2024, Honda are introducing two new Hornets to join the 750, the headline model being the CB1000 Hornet. It features the 999cc inline 4-cylinder dual overhead cam engine from the Fireblade and offers around 150 horsepower with more than 100 newton meters of torque. The exact numbers are still yet to be confirmed. The gases exit via a 4:2:1 exhaust, and there's an all-new steel twin spar frame, and the bike will initially be offered in three colours: Grand Prix Red, Matte Iridium Grey Metallic and Pearl Glare White. I think it's a nice looking bike, and the front headlight setup is a little reminiscent of the Ducati Street Fighter, which is no bad thing at all, but it's also got the Fireblade DNA in those headlights. I must admit I'm already a fan of the Iridium Grey colour scheme. Information is still a little bit sparse at the moment, but the bike will feature 3 riding modes plus the Honda selectable torque control system. That 150 horsepower will be transferred to the rear wheel via a slipper clutch. There's a 5-inch TFT screen with smartphone connectivity, which I suspect is the same unit that is found on the current CB750 Hornet. Showa 41mm separate function big piston forks take care of the front end and feature both compression and rebound damping, and there's a ProLink Showa rear unit too. Brakes are radial mounted 4-piston Nissan calipers that grab onto 310mm floating discs and should provide plenty of stopping power. There's also a nice chunky 180/55/17 rear tyre and a 120/70/17 front. I think it's a very nice looking package, and if it rides as good as the CB1000R does, then we are in for a treat. There's no news on pricing or availability at this point in time, but given the schedule from the 750 Hornet last year, I would imagine orders can be placed from January, with units arriving in dealerships around the March time, but don't quote me on that. Whilst we're here, we should also take a look at the other new Hornet model, the CB500. Based around the existing 471cc 47 horsepower A2 license compatible parallel twin engine, the new CB500 Hornet offers reliability and dependability in a sharp modern styling package. It's good to see that the HSTC system is now included on this bike as well though. It also gets the 5-inch TFT screen as found in the other Hornet models, but there are no additional riding modes. However, the new simplified left-hand switch gear is backlit for nighttime use. Again, 3 colours will be available: Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic, Grand Prix Red and Pearl Himalayas White, or Himalayas depending on your point of view. Again, it's a really nicely styled bike, more on the conservative side, but that's a Honda trait. I like the treatment of the headlight particularly, and I hope that that makes its way across to the 750 Hornet at some point. Showa 41mm separate function big piston forks take care of the front end, but there is no adjustability, and there's dual radial mounted 4-piston calipers as well. Weighing in at 188 kilograms wet with a seat height of 785mm, it should be a very manageable bike and ideal for first time riders. There will also be 3 accessory packs available at launch. Again, no news on when they can be expected in dealers or pricing at this point in time. But now there's a Hornet in the range for everyone with these two new models to sit alongside the 750. I think they're nice looking, decently spec'd bikes. The interesting thing will be to see what the prices come in at when Honda announce them in due course. So there you go, just a short overview of the new Honda Hornet models from the information that I have to hand at the moment. Definitely an interesting move for Honda to offer them in the 500, 750 and 1000 cc guises. That does mean that there is something for everyone. If you're coming in as a new rider, then the 500 is great. If you just want a little bike to buzz around, I'll say little, it's not that small, but if you want a fun bike to buzz around on, then the 750 Hornet is a lot of fun, and I'm actually considering picking one of those up myself in the new year. And if you want something a bit more brutish and possibly better for longer distances, maybe, then the 1000 is a good option too. I like the styling of them, and the specs seem to be pretty good. It'd just be interesting to see what the prices come in at. But of course, I would be very interested to hear your views in the comments section down below, so don't forget to comment there and let me know what you think of these new models. If you don't already subscribe, hitting that subscribe button would be gratefully appreciated. It really does make a difference to a channel like mine. And all that leaves me to say is, until next time, thanks for watching, take care, ride safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.